Where are we going? Wakulla Springs? Wakulla Springs? Wakulla State Park? Is that where it is, Barb? Wakulla.
Oh wait, where's my phone?
I don't know what we're doing. I dropped my phone.
Oh.
I ripped off the plastic on your radio by accident.
Do you have your wallet?
Yes. Look.
I don't think so.
I'm gonna get it. Has anybody seen
Thomas?
Thomas?
You know, the people that where is
Last seen running down the street with a little plastic sheet from the
Watch out for the creature from the Black Lagoon. He's out there somewhere. Back in the jungle, Tarzan's wailing like a loon. He's out there too somewhere. Step into the light in 1937. You might feel like you walked into heaven here and watch Wakulla Springs. The river of the crying bird is what I mean. Let's go. That's it, guys. Thank you. Wow, I like this group already. We should see those animals now if they're listening.
So yeah, we're here at Wakulla Springs today, and behind us you will see what is the world's deepest freshwater springs, and we're about to go on a boat ride, and hopefully we're going to see some animals. So yeah.
Oh, they promised that we could see birds,
Yep.
and maybe some manatee, and a whole lot of alligators.
So let's go on a boat ride at Wakulla Springs. All right.
go.
In case you didn't know. Alligators are dangerous.
That's how you say Wakulla, by the way. Wakulla. Not Wakulla, not Wakulla, not Wakulla. I've heard that before. Wakulla Springs. That's what color. Like, what color are your shoes? What color is your hat? I could go on. It's a Native American word meaning river of the crying bird or mysterious waters. And these are cold, mysterious waters. 69 degrees all year long. We got a shell station to the left over. You see a bunch of turtles here. You call that a shell station, by the way. I'm required to say that at least once. We've got two of them, are pied-billed grebes. They're built like penguins and they sound like monkeys. I call them swamp penguins. I don't think anyone else calls them that. If you say that, they're not going to know what you're talking about. But these are pied-billed grebes, technically. And I don't know if we're going to see manatees, but I've seen a couple swamp taters today. Manatees look like big gray floating potatoes. They're called swamp taters. I don't see any right now, but y'all keep your eyes peeled. I hope they heard the song and maybe they show up. You never know this time of day, but fingers crossed. Really see how shallow it is to your left. It's only 6 inches deep. You could walk across the river and that'd be a horrible idea. You'll see why. To the left there, I see a gator hiding very well. It's going to be behind this tree here in a second. So if you see a gator out in the sun, it kind of is doing something. They're warming up their very cold blood, like that one. All those ridges
we're over there.
are full of blood vessels.
Oh, manatee.
Manatee, yeah.
Manatee somewhere?
Oh, yes, right ahead.
All right, we have propeller guards on the boat. I want y'all to know that. If y'all need to stand, that's fine. Just don't all move to that side, but y'all on the right can stand up. We got probably a male.
Two,
manatee.
yeah.
Yeah, a lot of them have prop guards. And that's why we put these prop guards on the boat. We have a nice view too. We got these ancient bald cypress trees in front of us with a lot of Spanish moss hanging down. Now Spanish moss is kind of funny. It isn't Spanish and it isn't moss. It's a native air plant. It gets all the nutrients from the moisture in the air. It's a bromeliad. So we have a lot of moisture in Florida here. So it's very happy in Florida. Centuries ago, the French Thought it looked like a Spanish beard. It's got that nickname over time. Now that's a really cool bird called, that's the hurricane bird. They can sense barometric pressure with that long bill. If you see a bunch of them flying away, you should fly away too. They'll leave an area before a big storm hits. The ibis, that's a young one. And nearly 200 feet beneath the swim line, we have a 30-foot tall cave that is so wide you could put a 4-lane highway through it. It's the world's largest underground river. Scientific divers believe it goes all the way from here to middle Georgia, and it gets its water from rain. So some of this water you see came from rain in Georgia over 2 years ago. Most of it from the Wakulla, Tallahassee area. Now I always say imagine how big an Olympic-sized swimming pool is. That cave could fill it up in 1 minute. That's 600,000 gallons a minute coming out. So this is truly a first magnitude spring, and we're about to go over the edge, basically, of the cliff. Hold on.
This is Colin Johnson. So if you're here, how do you pronounce it? Wakulla.
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 Great.
One of the greatest guides out here. So we just did a tour, and go ahead and plug your music.
River of the Crying Bird. It's online everywhere.
Perfect. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. So you'll find Wakulla Springs at the Edward Ball Wakulla Springs State Park, and we can highly recommend it. Take the tour. It's only like $8 per person, about a 45 minutes to an hour boat ride down and back up the river, and you learn all kinds of stuff, and guarantee you're going to see all kind of wildlife. It's really worth the money. It's a great time. So after we got done with all that, we made it back to the campground. We decided we were going to hook up Honey's new wagon. We bought her a wagon for this trip, the Retrospect, so she could go on some bike rides with us and try something out new, geocaching. I used to geocache a long time ago, but yeah, it's kind of fun. You go around and things that people hide on the side of the road. You should look it up, but yeah, we did that. This is Honey's new Retrospect little dog trailer that hooks behind the bikes, and she loves it. So we go on these long bike rides, and she can go with us. Got a little plastic windscreen. Hi, baby. So she is all set. Well, there's the river's down here, and I don't know if you can tour, but Moonshine Acres is the place to be. Cache is within the row, R-O-W.
Okay.
No need to enter the private property.
Okay, so it's in this
It's
row.
in this row somewhere. Oh, did you find it? Oh, you did, yeah, I see it. Where the snake went.
Right?
That little blue thing.
It's right there, Melissa.
It's over here.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
You can't sign it though because there was a snake in there.
I'm with Mom and Dad.
Yep. I'm gonna show you. It's cool in there.
I got some air going.
I got an ice pack that you could always put under it.
Well, that'll be good, yeah.
And that's a good bingo. I didn't hear that. That's perfect.
Tasty.
Last year
And
we
then
came
we
down here, this
came
was the
up
soft sand
through.
pretty much.
Yeah.
There was no grass.
Did you come through the
Oh,
path?
we came down here this year.
Yeah.
Right.
We didn't know
We didn't
that
know
path
how it was going to be.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still not a lot of grass, but
Got some.
big improvement over
now
last
we
year, so
know.
hopefully next year it'll be better.
Yeah.